Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Champaign County, northeastern Madison County, southern Union County, Ohio, southeastern Logan County, until 1 p.m. At 12:34 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near North Lewisburg, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-size hail, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Marysville, Plain City, North Lewisburg, Milford Center, Woodstock, Unionville Center, Amity, U.S. Route 33 at U.S. Route 42, Cable, State Route 4 at State Route 161, Newdover, Pottersburg, Rosedale, Mingo, Chockery, Watkins and Kennard. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.